Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria mahoya kanitha-ini wa ACK Nyakagumo, mutongoria wa kiama kia DCP Rigathi Gachagua ni athire na mbere na gukirira mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Samoei Ruto hamwe na atongoria ngathi ya iguru thirikari-ini yake. Gachagua akiuga thirikari ya Ruto ni remetwo wira uria mehokeirwo ni muingi na gwikuruhania na biashara ciao kiumbe gwitongia makihuthira wabici cia muingi.
Put national interest above personal interest. And we have said after 7 days we are going to have a meeting with the other leaders and decide the way forward for the people of Kenya. So that if you decide that Kenyans must stay in anguish and poverty, the people of Kenya will come out and tell you no. And they will do so within the law so that you can behave responsibly.
Watu ambao wanajua hiyo barabara iko na rami, lakini ameiweka 200 million ati akuje atengeneze barabara ambayo iko na rami.
Gachagua ugite Ruto hamwe na andu ale makoretwo muhari-ini wa mbere kuhura uteti ori mubango wa ugima wa mwiri wa muingi wa SHA urorete gukububana kuona ni uremetwo ni gutungatira akenya uria kwagiriire.
SHA has liabilities up to 98 billion. And as I said, SHA will collapse in the next 5 months. In fact, SHA was in ICU last year. It left ICU. Today is a walking zombie that will collapse in a minute.
Ihinda-ini riu ni anyururitie miario ya President Ruto igie kunyitithania Kenya, akiuga mugaru na mutongoria wa kana wa bururi. Ruto ni mutongoria wa ngayukano na rumena.
You are the one who supervised and executed with the brutal efficiency the abduction and killing of Gen Zs. And that is why you and William Ruto have Gen Z blood on your hands. And that is why you have so many problems, you and Ruto, because you carry the blood of the Gen Zs in your hand.
Kuna vijana wetu watatu ambao uliua. Mmoja anatoka Kangima. Wodi ukitaka kujua tutakwambia ya Muhuru. Tuna kijana mwingine kutoka Kigumo, Kinyona Ward. Na tuna kijana mwingine kutoka Ngararia Ward pale Kandara. Utuambie when you are planning to compensate the families.
Gachagua akiuga munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Profesa Kithure Kindiki ni akoretwo akigeria kumukinyira niguo kunina ngurani ciao. Indi Gachagua agikinyiriria ati ndangihota kumana na thakame ya mbeu njithi a Gen Z aria moragirwo hindi ya mirurungano.
Much as I have heard your cry, I'm unable to forgive you because even you should have mercy on the parents of those young children you killed. Again, I'm unable to forgive you for sabotaging the war on illicit brews that has been killing our people.
Kuri siasa ithu andu akirima tutari tweka na niyo to importeirwo ni Kasongo ya kuhuranaga sisi wenyewe kwa wenyewe. Tuthiete Kigumo tukahurwo tukaikirio tear gas kuria guothe turahurwo. Kasongo niruhi arahura.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Njau ya Kinuthia.